Alaikum boys and girls. Today we're going to be learning about direct and indirect speech. So there are two ways in which you can report what a person has said. The first way is by using direct speech, and the second way is by using indirect speech. Okay, so we're going to be learning about the differences between the two. So let's look at direct speech first. So basically, very simply, direct speech uses the exact words which were spoken by a person. We're not going to change anything that the person has actually said. And so there are very specific rules relating to direct speech. So let's have a look at an example first and find out what those rules are. The old man said, "No one is worthy enough to eat the fish." So let's look at what happens here. Firstly, right, we have what we call a reporting verb. And in this case, the reporting verb is said. Okay, the old man said, right? The second thing is the punctuation. There is a comma, all right, and the comma appears after the reporting verb. And another function of the comma is that it basically separates the reporting verb from the spoken words. As you can see here, the comma is separating this reporting verb from the spoken words. The second thing I want you, well, the third thing I want you to look at is the actual words which are spoken are enclosed by inverted commas. So spoken words are enclosed by inverted commas. So your inverted commas could be the single commas or it could be the double commas. They're fine. So that's okay. Sorry, if I just go back to the comma, you could also separate the reporting verb from the spoken words using a colon. So you could use a colon or the comma. Both of them have the same function, right? So whatever the actual words are, those are enclosed within the inverted commas. And remember, all punctuation goes within the inverted commas. So all punctuation goes within the inverted commas. So you're not going to put the full stop after the inverted commas. So here, you haven't changed anything that the person has actually said. Take note of the tense of the actual speech written in the present tense. So basically, these are all the rules relating to direct speech. Okay, so what is reported speech? So reported speech does not use the exact words which are spoken. Okay, it does not use the exact words. There are changes made. Okay, so let's have a look at the old man said, "No one is worthy enough to eat." Oh dear, not this. It's supposed to have been this fish. Okay, so let's have a look at it. Firstly, you're going to remove the inverted commas or quotation marks. Number two, we are going to remove comma or colon, right? Number three, we are going to change the tense of the sentence. Number four, we are also going to change, so sorry, we need to add the conjunction that, okay, after the reporting verb. And then lastly, we are going to change any adverbs or pronouns. Okay, so let's have a look at the changes. So let's see. Firstly, we're going to say the old man said. So everything up to this point is the same as direct speech. Said that. So have you noticed that I haven't put colons? I haven't used a colon. I haven't used a comma. The old man said that no, oopsie, no one was worthy enough to eat that fish. So here's my conjunction between my reporting verb and my spoken words. Now here, I have not started the spoken words with a capital letter because it's part of a continuous sentence, unlike the first example. Is changed to was. So is, the tense now changes to past tense. Let me just add that here. And this will change to that. Okay? So if you look at some other adverbs of time, okay, this and these change to that, and those. Yesterday will become the day before. Tomorrow will become the day after. And today becomes on that day. So this now, this and these, yesterday, tomorrow, and today, that will be in the present tense. And when you are changing to reported speech, these adverbs of time will change. So yesterday will become the day before, tomorrow will become the day after, today will become on that day. So you're going to complete the activity on page 80 and 81, and I will go over it with you in class. You can look at the uploads. The suggested answers are also given to you there. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.